How to turn on dishwasher. Load the dishwasher with dirty dishes. When you need clean dishes, it is time to start the dishwasher. Place dishwashing pods or pour liquid dishwashing detergent into empty soap dispenser.
To close the dispenser, turn the knob to the left and listen for the click. Once the dispenser is locked, close dishwasher door. Lock the dishwasher door by closing the latch.
Turn the knob from off to normal wash. Turn the sign to clean when the dishwashing cycle has ended and as well as the drying cycle.